In today's episode, we're still here in the master bathroom. So if you're interested in seeing what goes on today, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, we went through a series where my rod in my closet broke, and all my clothes were in here in the tub and hampers and baskets. It was ridiculous. And it took me a whole day just to, one episode, I got all the clothes that were piled like sky high in the tub, got all those out and hung up. Then the next one, we did the hampers and the baskets. Well, today I want to beautify the bathtub area. It needs it. It hasn't had the beautified look. Okay, now that I have everything moved out of this area, and when I put it back in, I will tell you what everything is, what I'm using in here, and then we can get this going. I thought the camera was on, but I did pause it when I got on the phone, and I forgot to cut it back on. But I have apothecary jars, towels, some beautiful artwork to go in here. Everything that I'm using in here, I already had in my stash, so nothing is brand new. So let me get the other things, the broom and the cleaner, and we'll get started.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell, turn down. We keep it going, like bum bum bum. Throw it back, then rotation. Cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know still keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, must get in and lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time.
Okay, I don't know about you, but when I get ready to put up a picture, I put the blue tape on the back. I hope you can see that. I put blue tape on the back and I put a hole where the nail is supposed to hook at. So that way when I put it on the wall, I don't do a whole lot of holes. I just take this out, stick it on the wall, and drill the holes where the tape holes are. Now, are you ready for the reveal? Now, these two shelves I already had. They were purchased off of Amazon. Now, the smaller shelf, I tried to make it more like a spa thing. So I tried to add those items there, which I have the shower cap down below, the spa container, the items I use in the spa, and then on the edge of the tub here, I have the W monogram towels to go along with the larger towels. Here you see the interchangeable back brush, and in the corner over there you see I have the Calgon. Now the white towels, I have them in the other home. I purchased them for display. These pictures here were purchased for Amazon. I did purchase them to put over the master bed, but they were smaller than I thought. The curtain rod here, the curtain rod came from a bedroom upstairs. It matches the ones in the bedroom. The candles in the window, I already had that. They was thrifted a long time ago. And I put the 3 candle holders over the faucets because I want to light them and I have a really ambiance when I take a shower. Now the gold curtains, I had those a long time. I bought those from Anna's Linen when it was still open. So I've had those for a long time. Now those candle holders, as I said, they were thrifted and they were in the old house as well. A lot of stuff I pulled out of the garage. Now I really like those shears. They don't block the sunlight that comes in through that window, and it brings a lot of light in this room, and it does make it stand out, and I think it came out rather pretty. Even though it gave me a little trouble putting that curtain rod up, it still came out really pretty. Now again, the 3 candles here. The candle holder was thrifted, and I've had it for years, and the white candles, they are from the Dollar Tree, and I pull them out of my stash. This way at night, I can light candles, and also I'm looking into getting some aromatherapy candles to put in there to help me relax when I'm taking a shower. Now again, that is the Calgon. That used to be a candle holder. It used to be a candle, and when the candle burned out, I cleaned it out and I made it useful, and it holds my Calgon for the bath. Now the little shelf up above, it was a part of 3. The other 2 shelves are in the powder room up front. And I thought it would be really nice to include that little shelf here to give the extra little greenery to go along with those pictures. Now the little vase on the shelf, it came from the Dollar Tree, and I put a little bedazzle around it to give it, that little extra girly touch. And the greenery came from Temu. I bought that package from Temu, and I didn't know as much was going to be in there as it is, so now I can use it in different areas around my home. Now here I have the exfoliating gloves, the exchangeable back brush, and my loofah. I put them here to give that little extra spa touch. Now down on the bottom again, we have the shower cap. I have the box that says spa. It has the interchangeable heads for the brush. I have some bath soap, some oil, and the bath milk there. On the top shelf, the small apothecary jar was thrifted, and in there I pulled my Epsom salt, and in the smaller container here was a candle as well. I cleaned it out, and it holds all my rocks to go in the water. Now here on the top shelf, you see the 2 larger monogram towels to go with the smaller ones. I try to keep 4 towels in here because there's no cabinetry for towels. Now this little box here is some of my husband's things. Now I have this container that says face, where I keep all my face cleaners and things like that in there. And then the next one is body, where I keep lotions and scrubs and stuff like that in that one. The bottom says feet. Of course, you see it's everything for the foot. And then the 2 on the bottom are other items that I keep for the batteries, for the scrub masks and everything that I have in the bathroom. But overall, I think this side of the bathroom, the tub area, ended up being very pretty because it was basically a no spend, and I really love how it turned out. Now I really would like to know what you guys think about my spa area. I'm really ready to try it because the pillow for my bathtub is in the spa container. So I'm ready to pull it out and enjoy a night in this tub because I think it's relaxing. It looks really pretty now, and I'm happy with the overall look. So let me know what you think down below. You know I love reading your comments, and I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.